Today we're making my mom's superb pound cake. So let's get started with our recipe. Calls for 2 sticks of butter, but I had this, which is a little less than 2 sticks, but should be working just fine. We're going to cream that with 2 cups of sugar. Right, now that we've got our sugar in, take out our electric mixer and cream this up. Now that we've got it all creamed together here, the next step is to add eggs and flour. So what we're going to do, according to my mother's instructions, is to do eggs, flour until it's all used up. This requires 6 whole eggs, so we're going to get busy with it. Starting to look good already. Alright, now we got the egg in there. Gonna add the flour. Now this calls for 2 cups of flour. So we're going to, I'll pour a cup here. Don't worry about having to sift it or anything. You don't need that. It's about a cup of flour. And that in. Add another egg. This is the 2nd cup of flour. So let's just add, my mother said to end on the flour. So we're gonna put a little bit in there. Beat that together. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And mix that up. Now I guess everybody knows, well, at least it's the legend, that pound cake started with you use a pound of flour, a pound of sugar, a pound of butter. And there are certainly more sophisticated recipes than this. But this is just a good, easy, good old southern recipe. My mother just whips this stuff up, you know, like it's nothing. And I can see why. It's really not as difficult as it looks. So, We're going to see how it turns out, but I believe it's going to turn out very, very good. That is what pound cake batter is supposed to look like, right there. So we're going to go and prep our loaf pan, then pop this sucker in the oven, and we're going to have pound cake tonight. Be right back. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Oil a 9x5 loaf pan. This is really important that you oil it well, even if it says non-stick. Transfer your batter to the loaf pan. Bake for about an hour. Check it and make sure it's nice and brown. And if you really want to, you can do the old broom straw trick and make sure that it comes out clean. Well, that looks fabulous. We're going to turn it out onto a wire rack, let it cool a little bit, and then I'm going to slice into that thing. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. And it's even going to be better tomorrow morning when I stick it in the oven with some butter and toast it. You guys got to try this recipe. Here we go. This is the best part. Nice buttered. Run that thing under the broiler for about 2 or 3 minutes till it's got a nice golden brown. And put you some butter on it. That's almost as good as fresh out of the oven. Good stuff. Anyway, give this recipe a try. It's fairly easy, pretty much foolproof if I can do it. And subscribe to my channel. The little icon I think over here. It's got my picture on it. Click on that and subscribe. And hit the little bell button so you'll be notified when I get new recipes and videos out. Got quite a few more coming. I mean, I'll try and put one out every week for you guys. The next one is going to be a little tribute to my brother's birthday. I'll let it be a surprise what it is. Got a Halloween treat coming up. So, subscribe to my channel. I think it's right there. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like this recipe and you like this video, push the like button. If you didn't like this recipe and you didn't like the video, push the like button anyway. Thanks folks, we really appreciate you watching. And until next time and next recipe, this is Dr. J, over and out.